We needed to drink, wash, cook, and flush the toilet. Farmers needed to grow our food. Factories needed to make the products and their packaging that we buy. Power stations needed to produce the energy we use. Yes, it's water, and we use a lot. That's okay. There's a lot of water on our planet. True, but did you know that we cannot use most of it? That is because it's salt water and seas and oceans, or fresh water, which is ice, or in the ground. In total, we can use less than 1% of all the water on the planet. So why is it a problem now? Well, the world's population is increasing really fast, so more and more people are using water. And more water is being used to make food, products, and energy for those people. And we must not forget that things like climate change and pollution are also bad for our water supply. We're starting to use more water than our planet can give us, which means one day we might not have enough. So, let's start saving water now! Did you know up to 2,700 liters of water are needed to produce one cotton t-shirt and up to 12,760 liters for one smartphone? Coal, gas, and nuclear power plants all use water to produce our energy. By 2050, the amount of water we use is predicted to be 55% more than in 2000.